guys just out here kind of duping around. I don't think I've ever showed you some of my stuff I got here. So there's my awesome dartboard. Sometimes I have family come over and play. I got the Quint from the Jaws, a little tin sign. One of my favorite movies. I think the Jaws is probably my number 2 or 1A. It's 1B to The Shining's 1B. NASCAR thing my dad gave me. I'm not really into the racing stuff. There's me and my wife. That was actually what we were wearing when we got married. We got married at a little chapel in Las Vegas. Real quick. $88, about a half an hour we were married. I got some beer signs up here. I got the Predator and Alien playing chess. Some other beer signs there. You see my HVAC system. I got some cool water jetted little signs and stuff that my a guy I know here in town gave me. I got the he made those too. He made the FJB. He made the Let's Go Brandon. There's my little ass man. That's Kramer from Seinfeld. I got some other Seinfeld stuff here. Seinfeld sweater, Christmas ornament, blah blah blah. Let's go over here. Show you guys some other stuff. I love Jaws, of course. Got Jaws. My dad gave me that sticker. Another Seinfeld. It's supposed to be for laundry. Put that on your washer, or on your washer, so you can see if your clothes are dirty or clean. Another Jaws little sticker. Got all kinds of chargers and crap. Something I probably did for one of my videos. Some financial stuff. Another picture of my wife, daughter. Anyway, so we're back today. It's dark. It's nighttime. Things are a mess. My dog likes to get in my little coffee cups I throw in the garbage can over here, so there's always coffee spilt. She sneaks in the garage and gets some. Look how messy this thing is. Yeah. So I'm going to clean this out in the morning. We're going to go back out to the Hack Mansion. I don't want to open this too much more. That pack out's going to... I had to pull all these pack outs out. Damn it. I had to pull the pack outs out so I could pick up my daughter yesterday and today. So her car seat's in there. Might be picking up my niece tomorrow, because my brother's going to be with me and we got to pick her up by 3:20 in the afternoon. Part of being a father, right? Anyway, all my stock parts. I gotta do some organizing, do some cleaning up, get rid of some of this crap. I got my table saw just sitting there, my weight bench. I'm gonna get this all cleared out. I might rent another storage for my overflow stuff till I get my shop built, which can't happen soon enough. My little setup for my live stream. I'm not gonna bore you too much tonight, but I wanted to talk to you a little bit. So hold on a sec. I'm gonna turn this around. Now I will turn it around. Sorry, I screwed that up. Okay, so yeah, a long day. I didn't get real dirty today. I just went out to that big remodel job, and man, I got that vibration. So what I ordered was a couple of vibration absorbers, one for the suction line, one for the liquid line, 3/4, 3/8. I'm going to try those first, just because I'm not going to tear up any more drywall than what you're going to see in this video today. I don't want to make a huge mess. So anyway, that's what we're going to do, and hopefully it works. And then I hope you guys don't think I'm just being a real jerk, because I know I've lost some subscribers to that video I made about Ted Cook, but you know, he's the one that plays little childish games. I don't, but I have to defend myself, right? So he you know, he gets on my live streams, does a bunch of fake names, and you haven't seen it all. Some of it's behind the scenes. I don't have everything on video like some people do. I can't document everything, but he said some really strange stuff via text. You know, I was nothing but cordial to him, but you know, he made threats about ruining my channel if I don't, you know, bow down to him, the Almighty, about how things of that nature, how he's going to ruin my channel if I do not, you know, be nice to him and call him master or whatever. So anyway, I wanted to clear that up too. But yeah, things are going good. I'll be back out the hacked mansion tomorrow, and I look forward to getting all those lines pulled, getting that job done, honestly. And they're going to be so much better off. If you'd have seen this, I'm going to get you guys shots tomorrow of the of that crawl space and the shape that ductwork is in. It's just horrible, horrific. So anyway, that's it for today's video. As far as, okay, this is going to be at the beginning of the video, but this is as far as what I'm going to say about that. Let's get on with the stuff that I got, the footage that I got for you today. So hope you guys enjoy it. Okay guys, I'm back out at the big remodel job. So you can see he's moving along quite well. We have a serious issue here though, and it's kind of my fault. I probably clamped these lines down too hard. I don't know if you can hear that. I'll be quiet for a second. We have that that humming from the refrigerant lines, and it's really bad right here. But let me show you what I did to get started. I might go through and just pull all my clamps so it's not touching anything. See, I got all my Prestige thermostats up. System's running beautifully, but he's not going to go for this humming. So this refrigerant line's come in, so the heat pump's on the other side of this wall, comes up here, kind of goes like this, and then I don't know, comes over in there somewhere, and then that was that soffit I was just showing you. So the first coal I cut was here. Gonna be a bunch of drywall patching, and I thought maybe I was touching the structure down here, but I'm not. It doesn't help that I'm up against this wood here probably, so maybe I'll try to slab a rubber pad between there. I just took this clamp loose here. What I'm gonna have to do is work my way down, cut myself access holes, and pull any clamps or anything I may have that might be touching structure. It sucks, but I have to do what I gotta do. I didn't get you guys much more on that. I don't know if I want to cut that much drywall out of there. I probably still will end up doing so. Let me turn that a little bit. But I'm gonna try these little vibration absorbers that you braze in that are stainless steel. One of my colleagues told me that they eventually leak. Now I don't know if he's exaggerating. I'm gonna talk to him some more about it. But man, this vibration issue in the wall just drives me crazy. If this little absorber that I'm going to buy doesn't work, I'm going to have to cut and pull every clamp and somehow isolate the damn thing. You know, I try to minimize the clamps, but you got to have it somewhat fixed when you're installing these things. I think I got video of it when I ran it. It's a pretty long line set. What? Yeah, that was my brother right there. He was running through some mud puddles. He went out in the mud out in the field, and he got his designer truck, that's what I call it, locked into four low and wouldn't come out. So he stopped. He was able to get it clicked just now. But anyway, yeah, I'm not gonna ramble much longer. But man, if you guys have any ideas on what to do about this vibration, let me know, other than having to just pull, expose, you know, anywhere it's touching the structure, and let me know. I just got to get this fixed, so I'm gonna quit talking about it. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll try to put this video together, see if I got enough content today. I'm just frustrated. I hate this stuff. I'm not making any money doing this. So anyway, thanks for watching.